All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. And I do have some good news and some bad news. Unfortunately, something was going haywire with the notebook that we were using. Of course, it was just one of those days where everything was just going crazy with the debugging. So the notebook was going crazy. I couldn't use it. I kept getting this error. Let me see if I can pull it up. Because I did try to troubleshoot it a few times and I couldn't get it. So I came over here to YouTube to see if they have anything on the issue. If anybody else came into the situation I was having. But this is the code right here that I kept getting every time I tried to run something in my. Let me make it bigger because you can't see it like this. Every time I tried to run something inside of my notebook, I kept getting this code here. Type alias from typing extensions. I couldn't import. See, you cannot import name type aliases, so I couldn't run anything, even though it was working perfectly fine just yesterday. I couldn't run any of my imports or any lines on my notebook. So out of frustration, I closed it before I was able to show you, not even thinking. But yeah, so I don't know. It's not really major because it is just a notebook. It's not like we're gonna be building our projects in it. So what I did was I came over to my where am I at here? I came over to my VSC and I did a pip list on the notebook before I came over here, and I got every pip extension or pip install that's actually on our notebook here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install all of these on my personal VSC, so we can just start using this from now on. Because I have no idea what happened with the notebook. I'm pretty sure it's probably just something that's a common problem, but like I said again, it's not something we're going to be building projects on. It's just for a practice environment. So I don't want to spend too much time on trying to troubleshoot that when we're going to be moving over to the VS Code anyway. So I'm just going to take some time to install all of these. I have a lot of them already personally, but I'm going to take the time and install all of these imports here to my personal VSC and then move forward. Like I said, I didn't get a lot done because with the issue with that, so I just took a lot of notes on the last concepts we were talking about, which was the memory. So you can see that was here. Memory chain, same thing we did last night. We was going over the memory chain, how to recall conversations with our API and things like that. And we actually did get finished all of that stuff. And we're actually going to start using the open source Hugging Face models tomorrow. So yeah, that is a good thing. Like I said, it was a good and bad night. So yeah, we got all of the junk out of the well, not all of the junk, but we got all of the learning basics out of the way, and now we're going to dive into our open source models. And I'm going to definitely be doing that with the VS Code. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to take the time to bring all those imports over, all those installs over to my VS Code so we can move forward with that. So I'll probably take the morning to get all those installs installed, and then by the time it's time to do the course, we can just move forward with the open source models. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.